The FDA's decision to remove the black box warning on menopause hormone therapy, a revolutionary step for women's health. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has made a groundbreaking decision to remove the black box warning label from hormone replacement therapy, HRT products, for menopause, sparking hope and relief among women and healthcare professionals alike. This move comes after a thorough review of scientific studies and public testimony, challenging the long-standing fear surrounding HRT, the black box label, and its impact. In the early 2000s, studies raised concerns about major risks associated with HRT, including breast cancer, leading the FDA to issue its highest warning label. This resulted in a significant decline in HRT usage, with an estimated 1 million women avoiding the therapy due to fear of cancer or heart risks. However, recent research and expert analysis have shed new light on the matter. A reevaluation of HRT benefits and risks. The FDA's expert panel, formed in recent months, reviewed the latest scientific studies and recommended the removal of the warning label. Dr. Marty Makary, FDA Commissioner, emphasized the potential of HRT to improve women's health outcomes, comparing it to interventions like antibiotics or vaccines. The timing of HRT initiation is crucial, as current understanding suggests that the benefits outweigh risks when taken before age 60 or within 10 years of menopause onset. A grassroots effort for change, the decision to remove the black box warning has been a long-standing advocacy of women and doctors, as highlighted by Dr. Rachel Rubin, a leading physician behind the announcement. Rubin described it as a grassroots effort involving thousands of petitions demanding the removal of misleading labels. The goal is to ensure that women receive accurate information and have access to HRT when appropriate. Impact on women's health and access. The removal of the black box warning will have a profound impact on women's health. It will increase access to hormone therapy, allowing patients and clinicians to engage in shared decision-making. Dr. Stephen Fleischman, president of the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, praised the label change, emphasizing the importance of individualized conversations between patients and doctors. While HRT carries risks, proper guidance and prescription management are crucial for women's well-being. A step towards progress. The FDA's decision marks a significant step forward in women's healthcare, addressing a long-standing issue. It highlights the power of evidence-based decision-making and the importance of accurate information dissemination. As Dr. Makary stated, this is a great mistake in modern medicine corrected, ensuring that women receive the care they need and deserve.